What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Says Z Life channel. Today we're gonna discuss how I clean my 20x12 chrome wheels. A very easy method for a very cheap price. All you need is a few things. Let's get to it. So here are the wheels we'll be working on today. As you can see, they're very filthy, full of brake dust, grime, dirt. I'm gonna show you today how you can get this wheel back looking brand new again. So here are the tools that we're going to use today to clean these wheels. We have right here a spray bottle. The spray bottle inside has water mixed with car washing soap, and then we have this Eagle One chrome wheel cleaner, and then we have a bucket of water with a microfiber towel. Very first thing you want to do, you want to take your soap, spray the wheel all over. Lubricating the wheel all over with the soap. You want to come behind. You want to come behind with your wheel cleaner. You want to grab your bucket, your microfiber towel, and your water. Just go over the wheel, making sure to touch every spot of the wheel as you're going over it. Making sure that you get it clean, nice and clean, all the way around the rim of the wheel. Get on the inside, every spoke. Always make sure your towel is nice and wet. This is how it looks, the final product before polishing the wheel. As you can see, just wheel cleaner and car wash soap gets it very clean. All the brake dust, all the dirt, grime, it's all gone. Comment below for the polish.
My shit too clean, my shit too clean, my shit too clean, my shit too clean, my shit too clean.